Hello again, my junkie friend. Today I'm sharing a super simple way to quickly reorder the columns in your beautiful reports. Go ahead and pull up the report you want to change. You'll then just need to select the column you want to move and drag it to its new home. And don't forget to save those changes. Let me show you what this looks like. For this example, I'm using a Quickbase from the App Exchange. I'll start by opening the report that I want to rearrange the columns on. With the report open, I can now choose the column I want to move. For this example, let's move Project Manager to the beginning of the report. I will click on the header and drag it to the new spot. You can see with the green indicator where I can drop the column. Let's try that again. I'll move Status next to Project Manager. Be careful not to double-click on the column heading, as you might reorder the column as opposed to click it in order to move it. Also, if your report has a lot of columns, I'd suggest still using the regular report customization option, as it'll make it much easier than trying to click and drag across multiple screens. Always, before you're done, save your changes. If you learned something new, please like this video, and to get your regular Quickbase Junkie fix, subscribe to Quickbase Junkie on YouTube or visit quickbasejunkie.com.